In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own password in TeamViewer. Start by opening the TeamViewer application on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. If your layout looks very different, you may be on an older version, so consider updating for the clearest match to what I'm describing. Now head to the top right corner of the window and click Settings. This is where you can customize how TeamViewer works on your device and manage important security options. Inside Settings, go to the Devices section and choose Advanced Settings. You might see only a brief summary at first, which is expected. To see everything, select Open Advanced Settings. If there's a small arrow or caret, click it to expand the full list. It can take a second for the Advanced panel to appear. Scroll down until you find the password area. This section controls the personal password for this device. It's different from the randomly generated session password shown on the main screen. Setting your own password gives you a consistent credential for connections to this computer, which is helpful when you don't want a new code every time. In the password field, type the password you want to use. Aim for something strong and memorable, ideally 12 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, or a long passphrase. Avoid reusing a password from another account, and consider storing it in a password manager. Make sure caps lock isn't on by accident and that your keyboard layout is what you expect. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. Take a moment to compare the two entries carefully. This double check helps prevent typos. Click OK to save your changes. If the button is grayed out, it usually means the entries don't match or a required field is missing, so correct that and try again. On some systems, you might be prompted by your operating system to authorize the change, approve it to proceed. That's all there is to it. You've created your own password in TeamViewer. Remember, this password applies to this device's remote access behavior. It doesn't replace your TeamViewer account login. Keep it private, share it only with people you trust, and update it periodically for better security. If you don't see the password section or the options described here, make sure you're truly in advanced settings and that your TeamViewer app is up to date.